Hey everybody, Darth Cards back again with another Pokemon opening video. Today we're going to be opening up some Pokemon Sword and Shield Astral Radiance packs. We got 5 of them here, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We'll start with this really cool Dialga origin form. Code card. I'm pretty sure it's 4 to the front. Yeah. We got the Fighting Energy. We got a Kricketune in the wild. A Bishop fighting. We got Choi. Stantler. Bergmite chilling us out. We got Hippopotamus. Cyndaquil. Oops. We got a Scyther. Got the Switch card. And we got a Hisuian Typhlosion V full art. Very cool. Go ahead and set that to the side. And we'll jump into the Hisuian Typhlosion V art. Here's the code card. Flip it. We got a V-Star. To start us off, we have a Azelf, Shieldon, cute little claymation art. We got Uxie, Hoot Hoot, mean mugging us, Kricketune, Stantler, grazing. We got Hisuian Quillfish. We got a Scyther. We got the reverse Yanma, and we got a hollow Hisuian Typhlosion to match our full art. Go ahead and open up the next pack. If I can get it open. Got the white code card, so probably no hit, but let's see. We got the Steel Energy. We got Energy Lotto. We got Quilvalava prancing in the field. Golduck. Poochyena. Swinub. We got Hisuian Quillfish. He's really mean mugging us. We got Petalil. Nickit. We got the reverse hollow Grant. And we got a Hisuian Braviary non-hollow. Gonna go to the Palkia art packs next. Well, another white code card. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the Fighting Energy for our Fighting Spirit. We got a Whiscash, Sweet Honey, Kricketune, Cyndaquil, Hisuian Quillfish, different artwork on that, Hisuian Growlithe looking cute, Bergmite, we got Rufflet, we got a reverse Hisuian Typhlosion to match our other 2, and then we got a Regirock non-hollow. Last pack magic, see what we get. Another white code card, love to see it. We got the Psychic Energy. We got a Wait and See Turbo. A Shieldon. We got Silent. Glameow, Swinub, Chatot, got Ponyta, stopping for a drink of water, Kricketot, we got a reverse Oshawott playing in the ocean, and then we have the non-hollow Rapidash. So this is our big hit for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, keep this channel growing, and I will see you guys next time. Darth Cards out.